Hello students, welcome in our new video. In our first video, when we started our journey of teaching learning process, we have gone through our second section, that is poetry, and we saw our first poem 2.1 Cherry Tree. Today in our new video, we are turning towards our first section, that is about prose. Prose means lessons. In our introductory video, I told you that 1.1, the lesson being neighborly, is dropped due to corona. Okay, so we are not going through that lesson. Directly we are turning towards 1.2. Okay, what is the title? On to the summit, we reach the top. The lesson by Tenzing Norgay. Before going towards our lesson, first of all, see the activities from Icebreakers. Open your textbook on page number 15. See the first activity. Discuss with your partner and complete the web of different activities related to climbing. See, in the middle of the web, what the word is written? Climbing. And you have to write the different activities related to climbing. Okay. Now see, trekking, rock climbing, mountaineering, sport climbing, rappelling, bouldering, hill walking. All these are the different activities related to climbing. Okay. Now see the next activity. There are certain prerequisites for mountaineering. See the word prerequisites. Prerequisites means something that must be gained, must be acquired in order to get something else. In other words, you can say essential things. In Marathi, you can say आवश्यक गोष्टी. माउंटेनियरिंग म्हणजे गिर्यारोहण. सो आपल्याला जर गिर्यारोहण करायचं आहे तर काही गोष्टी आवश्यक आहेत. With reference to the following points, develop a short dialogue between you and your friend about mountaineering. See, points are given to you. See the points. I am reading the points. Time, distance, equipment, mental and physical fitness, clothes, training. These are the points, and according to these points, you have to develop a short dialogue between you and your friend. Okay, I wrote one dialogue, and see what is the answer. You can write your own also. See, it is the dialogue between Rahul and Reena. Okay, the answer is in front of you. I am not going to read all the dialogues. You just read it. Okay, I am turning towards the third activity. What is the activity? Discuss with your partner the various hazards and risks that a mountaineer or a trekker has to face in an expedition. See the words. Hazards, problems, risks, difficulties. Then mountaineer, the person who is climbing the mountain, that person is called as a mountaineer, or a person who is trekking, that person is called as a trekker. Understand? So these mountaineers, trekkers they have to face lots of problems and difficulties, risks in their lives. Understand? So you have to discuss about these problems. See, these problems are natural as well as man-made. Now see the natural problems or natural risks. Climate, rock falls, अल्टिट्यूड. अल्टिट्यूड म्हणजे उंची. जे पर्वत आपण चढणार आहोत ते किती उंचीचं आहे, हाईटचं आहे. ओके. फॉलिंग आईस, ॲनिमल्स, एक्सेट्रा. All these are the natural calamities, natural risks faced by mountaineer or the trekker. There are some man-made risks also. See, lack of fitness, overexertion, accidents, bad equipment, bad planning of route, lack of teamwork, food, etc. Okay, so these are the man-made risks. Okay, now we have gone through all the activities from our icebreaker. Now we are turning towards our writer. Who is our writer? Tenzing Norgay. See the information about our writer. Tenzing Norgay, 29th of May 1914 to 9th May 1986. It is his period. Tenzing Norgay, known by birth as Namgyal Wangdi and often referred to as Sherpa Tenzing, was a Nepali Indian Sherpa mountaineer. He was one of the first two individuals known to reach the summit of Mount Everest, which he accomplished by Edmund Hillary on 29th of May 1953. One table is provided us just to know about the honors, the medals our writer Tenzing Norgay got. See, I am reading the table. First of all, he got Tiger Medal in 1938. It was honored by Himalayan Club, and that medal was for third Everest expedition. Okay, now see the second medal, Star of Nepal in 1953. It was honored by King Tribhuvan, and that medal is for all accomplishments. The third honor, the third medal is Padma Bhushan in 1959. It was honored by Government of India and for all accomplishments. Tenzing describes the climb to the top and all events occurred during the historic climb. The article also describes what brought him to climbing mountains. So this is the information about our writer. In our next video, I'm just going to read the lesson, and afterwards I'm going to give you the explanation. We are not going to see the lesson paragraph wise because it will be so lengthy, and that's why I will tell you the overall summary of the lesson. Okay, thank you.